Hey YouTube, it's Krystal. Welcome back to my channel, BIMMY Beauty. In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how and why you need to curl your magnetic eyelashes. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to curl magnetic eyelashes. The kit that I'm going to be using is called BIMMY Beauty. It is a luxury magnetic eyelash kit. It comes with an eyeliner, 2 eyeliners, and a lash applicator. It is sold exclusively on Amazon.com. I'm going to leave a link for the Amazon listing at the bottom of this video. You get 5 sets of magnetic eyelashes, 2 eyeliners, and a lash applicator. Each eyelash contains 5 magnets and they adhere to the liner. So when it comes to curling your magnetic eyelashes, it's very important that you do this step after applying it, and I'm going to show you why. Let's start by applying the magnetic eyelashes. I'm gonna get a little closer. So the one I'm gonna put on in from the kit is called Venus. I have the magnetic eyeliner here in my hand. I'm going to shake it for about 5 seconds just to mix all the ingredients together and to ensure that when the magnetic eyeliner is applied to my eyeline, it's not clumpy. All right, so you just start at the corner and you draw it in like you would your normal eyeliner, but I like to go in a couple times. Good. Oh, that's my eyelash. Okay, let's apply it. This one. I'm just trying to put it on the lash applicator here. I like to kind of straighten it and center it. You know what? This is the wrong one. It's this one. And the way you could tell that is because there's shorter hairs on this side and longer hairs on that side. So that means that the shorter hairs go closer to my nose. If you put it on the other way, it'll look weird. All right, let's go. Boom. Okay. Okay. And it's on. Nice. Let's put the other side on. Here's our magnetic eyeliner again. Like I told you, I just kind of clean that off so that it's nice and equal. And then I apply the eyeline close to my lash line. I'm gonna add a little bit more product to the brush just because this was a super thin line and I want to have a good contact between the magnets and the liner. All right, let's do it again. Oh, nice work. Almost done. And just drawing it on nice and straight. Perfect. Take my lash applicator, grab my eyelash, put the applicator like so, and I'm going to gently apply it. I'm holding this the wrong way. I don't like holding it like that. Okay. Now, so these magnetic eyelashes are cruelty-free, so is the eyeliner, and they're a vegan product. The actual magnetic eyelashes are handmade with synthetic fibers. So when you put them in the kit, they just lay flat on the kit while attached to the magnet, which is why you need to curl them. Even though they're synthetic, they're still very malleable and they can hold a curl. Excuse me. So when you use your magnetic eyelashes, you just take your eyelash curler and you hold it down and then you let go. You do the other side. Hold it down. Let it go. And we're done. So as you can see, if you don't curl your magnetic eyelashes, they'll just be like this. And I've seen like a lot of people whose eyelashes, like they put on eyelashes and they're just like that. And I'm like, girl, just curl them. Just curl it up and you'll be okay. So this is how they look curled, and it's very important that you do it after each application so that you get that full look and you get the glamorous look that you're going for. That's it for now. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your family and friends. Leave a comment below and let me know how you curl your magnetic eyelashes and which eyelash curler do you use, because I think I need an upgrade. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can find out more information about our products from BIMMY Beauty.